Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your family members to the Lyft app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your family members to the Lyft app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you want to go ahead and log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on You on the bottom right-hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Family. Next, click on Add Family Member, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. So we're going to select Adult, click on Next, and this is where you could actually go ahead and enter their phone number, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a family member to your Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.